जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 6th chapter आत्म संयम योगमु 10th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्री कृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, Arjuna, keep doing nishkama karma and having a goal to attain Atma Darshanam every day. Keep on meditating upon Atma. To do that dhyanam upon Atma, you have to sit in a quiet room. Make sure no one is there. Sit quietly and make sure your mind is stable. Your mind is not thinking of anything of these worldly things. And also, Arjuna, make sure you are detached from the world when you are doing Atma Dhyanam. With that kind of procedure, every day keep on doing Atma Dhyanam to attain Atma Darshanam. Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma giving us homework to do every day for all of us to attain Atma Darshanam. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Yogi yunjita satatam atmanam rahasi sthitaha ekaki yata chittatma nirasihi aparigraha. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, keep on performing all your prescribed duties as my service. Keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja. Do not cry. Ma suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading my Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on performing all my prescribed duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. करिष्ये वचनं तव. श्रीमद्भागवतं. नमस्कारं टु श्रीमद्भागवतं. निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टु श्रीसुखयोगीन्द्र. यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवो विनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु नरनारायण चतुर्मुखब्रह्म सरस्वतीदेवी व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयम् उदीरयेत्. In Srimad-Bhagavatam Dvitiya-skandham, Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching the process of Srishti to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, when Chaturmukha Brahma wants to eat, wants to drink, then intestines is created. Once that intestines are created in Chaturmukha Brahma's stomach, in the Srishti, in all bodies, intestines are created. And then for that, Nadyaha Samudrascha, rivers and oceans are Adhidevata. O Parikshin Narendra, because of this, Tayo tushtihi pushtihi tat ashraye. Because of these intestines, people, souls who are in the bodies gets content, get stronger because they eat and they drink. And then Chaturmukha Brahma wants to understand about Paramatma's mystic power, that is Maya. The moment Chaturmukha Brahma wants to understand Maya, then Hrudayam Nirabhidyata. Hrudayam is created. Hrudayam's adhishtanam is Manas. Manas is an Indriyam, sensory organ. For that Manas, Abhimana Devata is Chandra. That Manas does the Sankalpam. Manas activities is Sankalpam. Once Chaturmukha Brahma's Manas is created, from that Manas in all the bodies Manas created. Like this, from Chaturmukha Brahma's body, all the bodies, their organs created. O Parikshin Narendra, all these organs are in composition, in combination with elements, 5 elements. But every organ will have a predominant one element out of 5 elements. Like that, one of the 5 elements will be showing its influence upon all these one of the organs, Indriyas. Like that, the subtle part of skin, which is known as Tvak, and the skin, flesh, blood, fat, tissues, bones, all these are known as Saptadhatu. These Saptadhatus are made out of Bhumi, Apa, Tejaha, earth, water and fire. These 3 elements, Saptadhatus, are made out of these 3 elements. Like this, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching the process of Srishti to Parikshin Narendra. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Slokas from Mukundamala Stotram. Namami Narayana Padapankajam Karomi Narayana Pujanam Sada Vadami Narayana Nama Nirmalam Smarami Narayana Tattvamavyayam. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namarasatravo vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 6th chapter 10th sloka. Yogi yunjita satatam atmanam rahasi sthitaha ekaki yata chitta atma nirasihi aparigraha. Yogi yunjita satatam atmanam rahasi sthitaha ekaki yata chittatma nirasihi aparigraha. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.